In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix vague or unhelpful Perplexity AI answers in 3 quick steps to get much better results. Let's get started. I begin by typing a very broad prompt asking for general money-saving tips, but I quickly realize that generic prompts lead to generic results that aren't very useful. To fix this, I highlight the text and replace it with a highly specific query, detailing that I am a college student in New York City looking for grocery and transit advice specifically for the year 2026. The AI now provides much more useful and targeted information, such as specific mentions of Omni fare capping and local NYC student pantry programs that are relevant to my exact situation. For the second step, I click on the Rewrite button at the bottom of the response and select the Deep Research option to force the model to perform a more exhaustive search. This generates a much more professional and detailed list, covering specific price comparisons for grocery chains like Aldi and Trader Joe's, as well as specialized apps like Too Good To Go. Finally, I move to the follow-up bar and ask for a detailed expansion on one specific point, requesting a step-by-step guide for the Fairfares NYC program. This produces a comprehensive deep dive that includes updated 2026 income eligibility tables, specific max annual income limits for different household sizes, and a clear 5-step application process. By applying these 3 methods of specific prompting, deep research, and targeted follow-ups, I can take any basic response and turn it into a high-quality, actionable guide that perfectly meets my needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.